bathroom, then I will go to the bus and wait for you.
All right.
Is that one Insta
Yeah, I was just about
360, no?
I was just about to tell you guys that you're not like thinking what is this?
Sorry?
It's like 360
And it's
degrees.
slippery, yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly, yeah.
Like I upload it on YouTube,
Yeah.
and then you can just look any direction, and it's even cooler with VR glasses.
Yeah.
So I mainly do it just for myself, for memories, and my 80-year-old father has a VR glass, so he can experience the same thing that I did.
Good,
see.
good.
So he's always waiting for me to upload this video to Germany.
Cool. I thought about buying, but I saw it was like 700, something like that, no? In Amazon.
This one was is a DJI, that's a competitor model, and it was super cheap during this Black Friday sale. It was 330 euros. I mean, which is relatively for those cameras was super cheap.
Yeah, it's good.
So that's why I bought it then.
Cool. Wow.
Oh, you got a waterfall here first?
I never saw the Niagara waterfalls, but
No,
if
me
this
neither.
is small
Isaac?
comparing,
If you think about Niagara Falls, so
Yeah.
think about Iguazu Falls.
or Iguazu,
Falls.
yeah, that's in Brazil, no? I mean, if this is big, what about Iguazu and Niagara?
It's fantastic. You
Yeah.
have to go.
Okay. Iguazu is Brazil apparently, and Nicaragua is Africa, right? Or am I completely confused?
No, Nicaragua.
Oh, shit.
No. Niagara
Yeah, I have no
is
clue.
here in the U.S.
Ah, okay. There's
Yeah,
one
not
big one in
Nicaragua,
Africa.
Not
Okay.
Nicaragua.
But Iguazu Falls is much bigger than Niagara Falls.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very impressive.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I've been to one in Africa. I don't know which one. Like it must be in Congo or somewhere. There's a big one.
Maybe. The only country I've been there is South Africa.
Yeah. Okay, Iguazu. I
Iguazu
will
Falls, yeah.
put it on my bucket
It's
list.
between, it's a border with Argentina
Okay.
and Paraguay too.
Okay.
It's one of the 7 wonders of the world regarding nature.
Yeah. Okay. And can you access it from different countries? So from Argentina and
Yeah.
Brazil?
The weather is getting bad.
Yeah, I think it's not very cold, but I have 4 layers. Like 1, 2, 3, and 4. You both traveling alone?
Yeah.
Me too, yeah.
I'm gonna meet some friends who live here, but I'm alone.
I
usually enjoy traveling alone.
Me too, and I work remotely, so normally I travel alone, working remotely.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I am on vacation because now in Brazil kids have big vacation. It's summer,
cool.
so
It's
the
summer,
kids
yeah.
have December and January, and teachers like me,
Yeah.
we have from December 15 to January 20 something.
Middle January, yeah.
Yeah.
Here, look also there with the light.
Yeah. It's good. The sunny.
Yeah.
There is a sunny there, so